For researching specific career titles, I recommend the Occupational Handbook by the US Bureau of Labor Statistics due to its high level of trust and how they organize the information. Say I have been considering a career in English, but I am concerned because everyone tells me I will not make money. So in this right top bar search bar here, I research a career called technical writing. I see that the median salary for this path is $70,000 with a bachelor's degree and less than 5 years experience. Maybe more important is that between now and 2028, this industry is growing faster than average. At the top are some amazing tabs to also look through, such as work environment, how to become, local and state data, and similar occupations. I like this similar occupation tab because it helps me gain awareness of new careers that I did not know existed. Conversely, I've always been told that engineering majors make a lot of money, so I type in electrical engineer and we can see that they are making a median salary of $99,000. That's great, right? But what about that slower than average growth rate? This will be a professional path that is very competitive and may be difficult to find a job in after graduation. In the end, I'm not saying that a single piece of data should be the determining factor for your choice in majors. But many students will find these data points to be helpful. Only you can decide what aspects of certain professions or industries you will prioritize.